Good morning, kids. Today's lesson is called Learn from My Mistakes and Not Yours. By the way, I do have a full house today just in case it gets noisy. We recently took a trip to Prague. I'll link it up here. And this was our first international flight here in Europe since we moved to Italy. And we booked our flight with Wizz Air, which is a local, low-cost carrier. By the way, low-cost airlines here in Europe are like another level of tricks. Like you blink and you get charged. So prior to our flight, I did receive an email saying that, hey, check in online, which you always get those emails. And for the most part, I always do check in online. But this time I was like, listen, we have time, we're gonna go get there early, we have a luggage to check in anyways, so we have to get in line, might as well just check in there. So we arrive at the airport, I try to go check in, and they're like, well, where's your online check-in? And I go, I didn't do it. Oh, you didn't do it, nice. Literally, that's what she wanted to say. But she said, you see that coffee shop over there? And then you go around it, and then there's McDonald's, and then there's a bathroom across from there, and there's a little cashier, little kiosk that you're gonna find, and you're gonna go and pay 44 euros per person. I came home, needless to say, I was a little bit upset at myself. And I try to search all the fees, and the fee that's listed there is actually 35 euros per person. So I'm not sure why I was charged 44, if maybe this is old information and with the inflation and everything, 2022 prices went up. They just forgot to update their website. But as you can see here, these low-cost airlines, they charge you for everything. You have to be very careful with these low cost, because for us, coming from the US, little things like this we never pay for, like sitting together fee, or I don't know, name change fee, invoice change fee. I don't even know what this is. But at the end of the day, that's how they get you. So don't be like me and check in online, and hopefully you can put 170 euros to a much better use. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and follow us on Instagram at 5 Star Family Adventures.